El Mateo from grade 5C. Today, I'm gonna make a simple and my favorite drink. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the ingredients. First, there's milk. The brand that I chose is Frisian Flag and full cream flavor because full cream flavor is the best flavor and there's like a creamy flavor. Next, there's Fanta. The Fanta is used for the pink color. And there's Nata de Coco Jelly. I picked Nata de Coco Jelly and I picked the lychee flavor because it tastes the best and it's my favorite. But you guys can pick another brand and another flavor. And last, there's shaved ice. The equipments that we need are a glass and a spoon. It's very simple, right? Time to make it!
Let's try.
So first, we're gonna put all the shaved ice because this is a big glass. Oh no. We gotta get all of it. And next, we're gonna add the jelly. Let's just get a few spoons, not too much. One more. Okay, I think that should be enough. And now it's milk. Wow. And lastly, let's add the Fanta. Just a little bit. Wow. See guys? It's pink. A little bit more. Okay, I think that should be enough. Oh no. Let me drink a little. Oh no, I think it's about to spill. Okay, there you have it.
Oh wow!
육질이 이리